out at the door.
Thomas, what do you want?
So Chef Ramsay...
Hello?
says... Door? Who's getting the door?
Blair, I have a reminder for you. Don't forget the family photo shoot at 5 o'clock.
I gotta make dinner. Hey, Zenbo, follow me.
Hi, I am Zenbo.
Today's the big day.
The annual family photo.
Everyone wants to outdo themselves from last year. In my case, it'll be easy. I just need to make dinner before we shoot.
Turns out the 10 pounds the camera has don't go away if you don't eat. Everyone just gets grumpy.
Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Let's see here. I guess I could make celery soup with hot dogs. Or seafood paella. Hey Zenbo, help me find a seafood paella recipe.
Step 1. Put the onion and fennel in the bowl and then add some olive oil.
Okay, next step.
Step 2. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook the ingredients for 5 minutes.
Well, well, well. 65 years young. Mine's still sharp as a tack. I didn't even need a reminder about the photo shoot today.
Bob, you have one to-do item. Take blood pressure medication.
All right. Of course. Back in my day, we knew how to dress for a photo. I'm always adding to my outfit to help keep it fresh. Thomas, big guy, how about adding one of those leather belts to Grandpa's outfit?
Sure, need help ordering it?
Smart as a whip, my boy.
Okay, just click on Buy It Now and press on Log In with the account I set up for you last time.
B-O-B. A-W-E-S-O-M-E. Did I ever tell you you're my favorite grandson?
Ow! Grandpa, I gotta go.
To what do I owe the pleasure? No. To whom do I owe the pleasure? It's not where are we, but when are we? Yes.
Wolf, 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 wolf.
All right, kids, get over here. Hey, Zenbo, let's read The Big Bad Wolf and the 7 Little Sheep.
After the door opened, the postman turned out to be the big bad wolf instead.
I'm the big bad wolf. I'm going to eat you.
Eat her, not me.
My little sheep, cover your face and don't let the big bad wolf find you.
You think I can't find you? I will eat all of you little sheep.
Dad, this story is better than your last book.
Whoa, that's harsh. I guess playtime's over. Daddy's got to go work on his craft.
Fine. Hey, Zenbo, let's play fun quizzes.
Do you know how bees communicate with one another? Do they dance?
Yes, they do.
That's right, but they also use smell and sound too.
Must be up here somewhere.
I told you two to get ready.
Harsh critics have spoken. I need to edit a few pages before dinner.
Oh, no. No. Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm just trying to find my, Hey, what do you know? My scarf. Look what I found.
Just stay there. Eric will be over to pick you up.
But the pages!
You'll be fine. And Sally, I need you to pick out your clothes. Hurry.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget Thomas again.
Hey, Zenbo, play Banana Post by Gary. I'm ready to reveal my new pose.
Got a better you. Or I can keep myself amused. I can keep myself.
Hey, Zenbo, take a picture.
1, 2, 3, say cheese.
This year I want to do something a bit more grown up. Ew, too much lips. Hey, Zenbo, delete that.
Done. Please let me know if there is anything else I can do for you.
Okay, everyone, time to eat. Quickly.
Finally.
Except you. You need to change into some real clothes.
See what's wrong with taking pictures in my work uniform?
Go, now.
Fine.
He's here. Hey, Zenbo, unlock the door. Come on, everybody, hurry up. Hey, Zenbo, follow me. It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Banderas.
You must be Claire. Whoa. 21st century butler. Classy.
Please, this way.
Beauty, can you bring your chin up a bit?
Can we put the lights up, please?
Hey, Zenbo, can you make the lights brighter?
Okay, turning on the light.
So hot. Just want to make sure no one is sweating.
Hey, Zenbo, turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, turning on the air conditioner.
Are you guys hearing that?
Hey, Zenbo, turn off the TV.
Okay, turning off the TV.
Wait. Hey, Zenbo, come over here.
Rock and roll.
Well, another year, another successful family portrait. It's easy to look back and think that it shouldn't have come together, that none of it should have worked out.
Eric, what's with the face?
You guys know I have allergies.
But somehow, we always pull through in the end.
The only thing that looks good in this one is Grandpa's hat.
I think we found a winner.
As much as I would like to take credit for everything, I can't. Thanks, Zenbo.